Content marketing. It's a powerful tool to build your digital brand, but how do you ensure your content doesn't get lost in the abyss of the internet? Well, today, I want to talk to you about a 5-step framework that brought great results for our clients. Content marketing requires time and effort, but what if your content ends up in obscurity? It's a challenge that so many face, so how do you choose the right strategy? Here's a golden 5-step framework that led to remarkable transformations for our clients. Step 1, they started by asking the question, why are we creating content? For them, the answer is clear, right? They wanted to get more customers. In step 2, they made converting readers into customers their top priority, with the laser focus being the goal. Step 3, the data-driven approach, they used Google Analytics to discover how many times each article's achieved their primary goal. Step 4, once they identified top-performing content, they doubled down on creating more of the same. Smart, right? Quick tip, if you're looking to discover similar ideas to your top-performing content, check out the keyword research tool at seranking.com. It's a game changer. Step 5, the grand finale, increasing frequency through publishing new content. More content, bigger results. And there you have it, folks. A journey from obscurity to triumph through the power of content marketing in this 5-step framework. If you found this framework inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can give you more and more valuable content. And let's begin to transform your content marketing game together. All right, until next time.